Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Now, today in maths we are going to learn skip counting. That is skip counting by twos. Skip counting by twos. Now, in your book, near the heading you draw one small ball and one big ball. Got it? Now, see here. This is your index finger and this is your middle finger. Got it? Index finger and middle finger. Now, how to write the skip counting? See here. From 1 we have to start. And which number comes to the middle finger? This big finger, middle finger. That number you should write on the book, in your book. Got it? Now, starting from 1. 1, 2. So, for which number you got to this middle finger? 2. So, we should write 2. Next, 2 finished. To the middle finger, 2 finished. Again, 3, 4. Which number came now? 4. Now, 4 finished. 5, 6. 6 finished. No. 7, 8. Now, which number will come to this middle finger? You have to write here. And even here also, you can write from here also. Now, 8 finished, no? Now, which number will come to this big ball? That number you should write down in your book. Now, 8 finished. Next, 9, 10. So, which number came here? 10. Now, next, 10 finished. Next, 11, 12. 13, 14. 15, 16. Whatever number comes to this big ball, you should write down here. Now, next, 17, 18. Next, 19, 20. Got it? Now, next, after 20, like that, up to 100 you should write. Up to 100. 20 after 22, 23 and 24. Next, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100, 100. 100, 100. Now, from 2 to 100 you should write by skip counting. Means you should leave one number and write. You can see here. I said no, whatever number you draw 2 balls. That is one small ball and one little bigger ball. And which number comes to that bigger ball, you should write down here. Now, I'll give you some more examples. I won't give you like this numbers in exam. See, I'll give you like this. I'll show you some examples. You have to count and write them. Now, No. 1 3 13 dash dash 13. Now I will give you the numbers like this. Now here you should write skip counting. Means how you will write skip counting now? See here, 13. 13 after you should leave one number, I said, isn't it? You should leave one number and write. Means start from 13 here, small ball. 13, sorry, 13 finished. 14, 15. So which number is coming here? 15. Now 15 finished. 16, 17, 18, 19. Like that I will give you. Now I will give you one more example. 75. Yes. Now see here, 75 finished, so don't count. Whatever number is there, you don't count that. 75 finished. Now 76, 77. So which number is coming here? 77. Now 77 finished. 78, 79. Now 79 finished. 80, 81. Got it? Yes. Now again one more also we will learn, that is skip counting by fives. Now 2 finished, isn't it? Now again I will tell you one more, that is skip counting by fives. Already you learned in your UKG, you know, count by fives. Skip counting by fives. Now here you should draw 5 balls, small balls 4 and 1 big ball. So whatever number comes to big ball, that you should write down. Okay. Now see here, count by fives. Even I will show you with the fingers also. See here, whatever, this is your thumb finger, middle finger, sorry, thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger, baby finger, little finger. Whatever number comes to your little finger, that number you should write it here. Got it? See here, starting from 1. This is count by fives. Already we have finished count by twos. Now we will learn count by fives. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now which number came to this finger, little finger? 5. So 5. Write down 5. Now 5 finished. To this finger, 5 finished. Again come back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which number came again? 10. 10 finished. Again come back to the thumb finger. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 1, 5, 15. Next, again come back. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now whatever number is coming to this finger, again you don't count that. మళ్ళీ అది మరి కౌంట్ చేయొద్దు. ఇది నెంబర్ రాసేస్తే 30 అయిపోయింది కదా ఈ ఫింగర్కి, 30. Next, come back to 31. Okay, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50. Next, 51, 52, 53, 54 and 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64 and 65. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74 and 75. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 85. Here, now even with the balls also you can count. Now till now we were counting with the hand. Now I'll tell you about with the balls. 85 finished. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 90. Next, 91, 92, 93, 94 and 95. Next, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Got it? Now, I'll tell you with count by fives some more examples. Okay. -75 Now, here 75. You should write skip counting by fives. After 75, what will come? You can use your fingers or you can draw the balls like this. Now, using your fingers, 75 finished. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Got it? Next, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Now, with the balls again I am telling you. 85 finished. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94 and 95. Whatever number will come to this big ball, you should write that number there. Now, one more example I'll give you. One more example. 30 dash 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 dash. Now, 30 after. Count by fives. 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Next, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Got it? Now, we have finished count by twos and count by fives. Now, again, one more I will tell you, that is skip counting by tens. How to write skip counting by tens? Now skip counting by tens means, so see here, 10, already you have learned the turning points, not 10, 20, 30, those are skip counting by tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so skip counting by tens means, even you can draw the balls, 9 small balls and 1 big ball. Nine small balls and 1 big ball. Okay, now whatever number comes to this big ball, that number you should write. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which number came here? 10. So 10 I have written. Now next, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Next, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Got it? Like that up to 100 you should write. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Got it? Now with this also I will tell you some examples. Dash 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 44 5 dash. Now see here, you can count here, 10 finished, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now after 20 what will come? Again 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So which number I gave you here starting, after that number you should count, but you should see here what I am asking, whether it is skip counting by 2s, 5s or 10s. First you should see here what it is. Now I am giving you skip counting by 10s. Now starting I gave you 44 here, means after 44 10 numbers you should count. After 44 10 numbers. See here, 44 finished. So after 44, which number will come? 45. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. Got it? Now 54 finished. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63 and 64. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73 and 74. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83 and 84. Like that you should write. See here, 5. 5 finished. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Got it? This is skip counting by tens. Okay, thank you.